Today we will see how you can easily stake Solana tokens from your decentralized wallet. At first, you require a wallet named Phantom Wallet. For this, just go to your Chrome web store and search for Phantom and add that extension to your web browser. After successfully installing, you have to import your existing wallet. If you are a new user, you have to create a new wallet. After successfully setting your wallet, just go with Sol. Yeah, and here you will find such option like your stake. Then click over the plus icon, stake sol, and here you will get the list of validators with the help of which you can easily stake your cryptocurrency. But I personally suggest go with Chainflow. Then enter the amount, how much amount you want to stake. For example, we press 0. Yeah, there is also a minimum requirement that you have to stake at least 0.0022828881 SOL tokens. Then press stake. It will load for some time. Now you have to wait for a while. As you can see, our SOL token staked successfully. Just to check the transaction history, we click over the view transaction. We will load it our SOL scan page. Wallet address, then go with stake account, and here you will find the amount you stake. Apart from this, if in case you want to withdraw that amount or unstake that amount, just go with Phantom Wallet, and here again select your cryptocurrency. Now you will find easily your old stake currency just by pressing over it. Here you will find the option of unstake. By pressing unstake, your amount that you stake easily unstake and you will get the same amount in your wallet. Apart from this thing, you can also check out my NFT collection if you are really interested in it. Its name is Cryptoground and platform is SolC, where you can do transaction with the help of Solana tokens.